again at Papa's favorite place for dining, which is Holiday Inn. We are with these lovely guests again at Holiday Inn. This is how my plate is. Most of it is salad. This is Simon's. And some chicken. So guys, Shini right here will be telling us how to make a bounty chocolate while you are in a 5-star hotel. So let's go. You need to first take a coconut burfi or a laddu, whatever it is you find in the hotel. Then move ahead and find a chocolate sauce or a mousse or anything like that, which we found right here. It's this. Take it from a height. And it's not coming. Okay. So mess happens, it's okay.
So you can use it as a glue, na?
Yeah, use it as a glue. So this is chef's advice or tip. Pour some, what is this, chocolate chips. Chini?
One more.
I don't know the secret ingredient she's going to pour. So that's this thing. Okay. So here you go. It's your bounty. So it's time for the taste test. And this is the audience.
Wow.
It's good? Okay. Second opinion. How's it? It's good. You guys can see that all the kids loved it. Then it's a pass. So you can, whenever you are craving for a bounty, hop into a 5-star hotel and do the same steps. I don't know why people like Pubg. I have tried it and I didn't like it that much. Although I would definitely try it with friends as Simon suggested. But for now, I'll show you guys what the Pubg squad is doing. We are getting really bored here because the Pubg squad is playing Pubg. Guys, what are you doing?
We are doing fashion. Catwalk.
What?
Catwalk.
Catwalk? Okay. Nice shoes. Okay, let's start.
Bye.
Bye.